Okay, really quickly, I want to show you how I use Claude to upload things to GitHub or publish them live. You can see here I have a really cool product I've built. I've got it coded. I think I even have something just finished something so you can see it's I had Claude build a lot of these sections. I've got a few pages here. And it built all this, including a style guide here, and it just finished updating this. But say I want to publish this live, I want people to see it. And let's say, hey, Claude, let's upload to GitHub. I go back. I say yes to whatever that is. So it logged in. Now I had to do this login on terminal or something else prior. So I did already authenticate to GitHub. I've pushed quite a few things on there, as you guys could see. So the setup's already good. But now it's updating it. You can see there's like git ignore files. It's uploading these things. Sure, I just say yes. Oh, yeah. So it made its own repo here, as you can see. So we can go back here. If we go back to my profile, we can look at my repositories. There it is. So Claude even was cool enough to make its own repository and it published everything there. So now let's say that I want to create a website that that people can look at. I use Vercel. It's a lot easier. You see, I'm already logged in. I'm going to add new project. It normally connects to my GitHub, but it looks like it didn't. So I probably need to re-sign in. There it is. And now I have that repository. I just import it, trust it to do its thing, deploy, and in like a few seconds, it'll be live. Building logs. So once this is done like that, it worked. But I don't have an index page. So I do need to go to slash home.html. Is that it? Oh no, slash here, I can go here. Style guide. Yeah. So because I don't have an index page, there's nothing found. So if you look back at the files here, right? So when it pulled this, it doesn't know which page to pull up because there's no index. Now you see it worked for style guide, style-guide-ht.html because I have that page, but there's no index page, so it didn't know which page to pull up initially. If I had a page called index.html, it would have worked. But since I didn't, I had to manually type it. Now I can go here and it takes me to, you see the URL is /app /profile, but that's because all my pages are in an app folder. So, and that's all published to GitHub. You can see the same thing here, right? Same thing, app, assets, CSS. Yeah. So that's how to publish it on GitHub and how to push it live using Vercel. All right. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.